Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your glass digitizer. Like this one is all working and everything, it's not cracked or anything or damaged, so I just wanted to show you how to do it. But I'm not held responsible for anything that happens, just know that if you do this, you're doing it at your own risk. But I will be using the same digitizer, but anyways, yeah, these are the tools you're going to need. A tic-tac tool, which is what I use, but it's the right size for that, or the official screwdriver thing. A pry tool, your iPhone charger, or whatever brand it is, I don't really care, and a bag for the screws. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is power it off. Okay, just gotta get out of this case. This is just the commuter. Anyways, and this is a 32 gig. Anyways, once it's powered off, these two screws at the bottom, unscrew those. I know I don't have a tripod, so just gonna put this right here for a second while I take these in. Okay, these are the screws, and you're gonna want to put the screws in the bag and close that up. Okay. Next, you're going to want to get your pry tool, pry it out. Oops. You see that it's up there a little bit. Okay, and just gotta get that open. Sometimes it's a little difficult. Okay. And then once you get that open, there will be 3 cables. You need to remove them in order. First one, you just hold on. Gotta hold the camera real quick. I don't have a tripod, but the first one you just if I can pop it off. Hold on. Okay, get that number 1 cable off, and the number 2 cable is this one right here, and you just pop that one off, just like that. And then this one in the back here, number 3, you gotta push up this thing, this little black thing right here, and then once that is out, I'm gonna simply slide out the digitizer. Cables are still on and everything, but one thing I will not be doing, but I will be doing in my next video, is I'll have the all gold back housing and the gold bezel right here, and I'll have the all gold digitizer, and I'll be assembling that for you guys. But just let me grab the other part. Okay. And so you have your digitizer. This one, it's a little complicated. The number 3 cable, you have to install it in 3, in 2, and 1. But it's a little tricky to get in there. Sorry for the flash. Okay. Like I said, I don't have a tripod, so I'll just do it. But go ahead and install that. Okay, once you have that installed, it'll just, look like that. If you can even see the number 3 cable, it's in there. And then you put down cable number 2. Should just snap. If I can get it on there. Sometimes they're hard to get on there. Okay, that's in there, and cable number 1. Cable number 1 is hard to get in there. Okay, that's in there. Oh, no, it's not. Thought it was. Okay, now that's in there. All 3 cables are in there, just like that. Now just close that. Before you close that up, you need to power it on real quick. And it works. Okay. Let's go ahead and close this up. Put in these 2 screws real quick. Okay, I'm gonna get these 2 screws. Okay, this is one screw. That first screw in. all that is now just like that. Okay, get the hairs off the screen. Okay, now it'll work. See? Hold on, I could wait for it to get up. There we go. And here we go. And that's how you replace your digitizer.